Hello kids! Today let's learn action verbs with simple sentences. Let's see what everyone is doing. Crawl. The baby is crawling. Cry. The baby is crying. Play. The baby is playing with a toy. Hold. Grandma is holding the baby. Cut. Grandma is cutting vegetables. Cook. The man is cooking food. Pull. The girl is pulling a suitcase. Push. The girl is pushing a stool. Ride. The girl is riding a bicycle. Drive. The man is driving a car. Read. The girl is reading a book. Write. The girl is writing on the board. Work. The girl is working on the PC. Walk. The girl is walking. Run. The boy is running. Talk. The boy is talking on a call. Drink. The boy is drinking water. Eat. The girl is eating an apple. Take. The boy is taking a selfie. Wave. The girl is waving hi. Think. The girl is thinking. Dream. The girl is dreaming about pasta. Do. The girl is doing an experiment. Stand. The girl is standing. Sing. Grandma is singing. Great job, kids! These are action verbs. Action verbs tell us what someone is doing. Can you try making your own action verb sentences now? I hope you all can. For more fun learning videos, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. See you next time. Bye-bye.